Now, I've been saying Point Pickup is a good side hustle, especially as a filler app. It's morning here. Good morning, by the way, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. $11.81, 1.6 miles stacked with $10.40, 2.66 miles. Welcome, folks. Listen, even if an app isn't the best to fill up your entire day, that's what a filler app is, you know, like Grubhub to DoorDash, or what's another good combo? I don't know. Ship to Instacart if you do grocery. I don't do a lot of grocery, but I like Point Pickup as a filler app. So welcome. Let's see how much money we can make today just multi-apping. I'm liking how this is starting. And again, if you have, like, imagine you're multi-apping. So you're driving on different apps at the same time so you can select the best order for you. I thought I was gonna do DoorDash today because there's a $2 peak pay. But if no one is on a certain platform, then you might be able to take advantage of that. Especially if no one's driving on it, then if you're multi-apping with like your major things, but then you're filling it with 2, 3, maybe 4 filler apps, the goal is to keep your day busy because you don't want to waste your time just on one app that happens to be slow when you can use app 2, 3, 4 to fill in those slow times. Oh yeah, let me start the timer as well, because wait times is a big thing that I've been tracking in 2023 going into 2024. Well, can you believe this, folks? First stacked pickup of the day here. How long did they take? Like 3.5 minutes. Excellent. Perfect scenario. And even better, get this, 2 stacked orders, so 2 drop-offs. It's like 2 customers' orders. Both orders in total were 4 bags. 2 orders, 4 bags. One of them is just 1 bag, which is insane because it's, you know, obviously just easier to deliver. I'm feeling good, knock on wood. Hopefully it keeps up this morning. And let's see how the deliveries are, you know? I don't want any issues on delivery. Delivery number 1, 1 bag. Yeah, it was the one with 1 bag. So pretty simple. It's like most of these delivery apps. It confirms right customer, right location, right place. It says like where you drop it off, like the front door, side porch, garage, etc. And you take a picture. Point Pickup wanted to take a picture of the building as well, so that's fine. Just take a picture of the building. Sometimes you need the customer's signature, but not this time. And really seamless. So 11 minutes, 2.5 miles to the next destination. And yeah, it's gonna leave me in another busy area too, which is good. Now from here, when you're multi-apping, as soon as you finish that second delivery, you can go online with all your apps. If you do it sooner, I mean, you're gonna have to be careful of ETAs, like your delivery times, if you go online too soon, and then it distracting you making the current delivery. So I advise, like, immediately as soon as you're done with this one. See, you get familiar with gigs, the more you do them. The first one's always the trickiest. So now, it is time for the second one. I took an instant offer on Amazon Flex. Instant offers are offers that are ready in the next 30 minutes, or well, up to 30 minutes, or instantly, as the name implies. And a lot of the times, they are Amazon Fresh or grocery runs. So I got a grocery run pickup at the Whole Foods. So I'm only 2 minutes away. It said 4 packages. So when I get in there, it is right off the entrance, and I'm gonna look for the coolers, all the stuff that I'm gonna be delivering. All right, pickup's done. And listen to what happened. I gotta tell you, I've been doing side hustle gig work, part-time and full-time, since 2015. And I'll tell you, because I'm new to Amazon Fresh. That was my second one ever. You must be coachable. You must be coachable, and you must listen, and also ask for help if you don't know what you're doing, because you may not have any idea what to do when you're brand new. Like, I get to the Flex warehouse, I get to the Walmart to start my shopping. Whatever it is, it's okay to ask. Sometimes, even myself, you gotta put the ego aside and understand you have no idea what you're doing. So I go into that side room where they're loading all the orders, right? So they have the freezers, the fridge, shelves, and they're just like going at it, right? The associates are loading all this stuff up. And it said, scan a package to continue. And I didn't even see which package to scan, it just said that. So I just scanned one package and it gave me a green check mark, like indicating, okay, I scanned it, but I did not think that was the right package. And I scanned another one in the same shelf and it gave me a green arrow. I'm like, oh, okay, this must be one that I have to scan. And it must have been pretty apparent that I didn't really know what I was doing, because another Flex driver came over nicely and helped me out and explained the layout of the fridges and freezers, like the numerical system, which looking at it didn't make sense to me, because it'll say freezer 3, freezer 4, but that's not what you're looking for. It says freezer like 41D, whatever. So then I start to scan, and then a Whole Foods associate sees me like trying to figure this out, and she comes over and I tell her I still had those first 2 bags that I scanned that I did not think were the right bags. I'm like, hey, I don't think I need these bags. So she's like, bring up your itinerary again, because I was like on the wrong screen, and she helped me figure out, like, going over the order of the shelves, the freezers again, but also I didn't think that some of the bags had a tag on it, because there should be a white tag with a QR code, or a sticker I should say, a sticker on the bag, and that's what you scan. And it only had a white sticker to close the bag. There was no QR code. But then she explained, like, these stamped QR codes on the bag, it was like a stamp or something, that's what you scan. So I guess it's either the white sticker with a QR code printed on the sticker, or the stamped QR code on the bag. So thank you to both of them for helping me out, not looking as silly. I still look pretty silly, obviously, but it's gonna happen. You're gonna be new. Everyone's new at some point, all right? And you're gonna have mistakes. It's okay. Like when you're starting a new job, right? It's okay. So thank you to them. I got the right stuff here. So I'm at the customer's destination. Let me mark that I've parked, and I will make the delivery here. Okay, because here's the thing. Oh, you hear that? That's a package delivery on Uber Eats. Uber Eats is just $7.02, 29.9 miles. Can you imagine? I'm gonna go offline. I don't even go online with Uber Eats anymore because there's no surge anyway, which is the bonus pay. I'm really waiting on DoorDash. DoorDash is still not busy. It still does not let me dash now, because that's what I really want to do right now. I mean, there's no point pickups right now. I'm online with Amazon Flex for another instant offer. Well, it kind of makes sense. It's a what? Thursday at 10 a.m. basically. So I'm not completely surprised whatsoever, which kind of stinks. This is when I'm free. You know, let me know down below in the comments. You're free when you're free, you know? You only have so much free time. Oh yeah, almost forgot. I want to ask you, so we talked about filler apps. Now, some aren't great. Like what I've done before is Field Agent. So it's like kind of I Spy, secret shopper stuff. You go into a store, you find the product or the module that they want you to track down, you take a picture of it. Sometimes you buy it and then they'll reimburse you in addition to the pay. But would you take this? Like, would you do a couple of these $5 runs on Field Agent? I don't know. I could, but with the I Spy that you're seeing here, it's not guaranteed. They say it's not even guaranteed that it's at the store. I know. They're just like, oh, we have data that says it was bought here, but now there's the same order, $7, 29.9 miles. That's crazy. I'm just going to go offline on Uber Eats. But yeah, Field Agent for the I Spy ones, that's what they say. There's easier ones, like taking a picture. I forget what they call those. But let me know if you'd use Field Agent as a filler app in that sense.